I got it. Your mum's trying to pinch it, look. Are they getting you, Tilly? I think you love it really, Tilly. Are they all getting you? Oh, Tilly. Do you give them kisses? Valentine. Oh, quick, get it. Your mum's got it, look. Tug of war with mummy. That's it.
So heartbreaking, isn't it?
Tug of war with mummy.
Yeah, look who's becoming.
Oh, there's Molly coming in for trouble. Oh, look. Got it, Valentine. That's it, you get it off your mummy. Oh, look, is Tipsy coming to join in. 2 against 1. Oh, and Molly, 3 against 1. They're going to get you, Mitzi. Maybe let him take it. Go get it then, Mitzi Mouse. Go get it, Mitzi. Go get it. Where is it? Go find it. Teach them babies how to play tug of war. Peanut pie, what are you doing under there? Little toffee banoffee. Anyone would think you're scared of them. It's just Molly saying hello. She wants to give you kisses. She does. She just wants to give you kisses, Tilly. I think you love her, really. I think you love her. She's coming. She's to get you, Tilly. She's coming after you. She's coming. She's going to get you. She's going to get you. Hello, Valentine. Hello, baby. Oh, you might have a new mummy tomorrow. You might.